Welcome to our roundup of the best sandwich panini presses in this year. Whether you're craving a quick breakfast, a gourmet lunch, or a tasty snack, we've handpicked the top panini presses that deliver even heating, quick cooking, and user-friendly features, all designed to make your sandwiches crispy, melty, and delicious. We'll break down each press's key features like heating plates, cooking surface size, temperature control, versatility, ease of cleaning, and durability, so you can find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest price and deals. Let's dive in and find the ultimate sandwich panini press for you. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Imusa stainless steel sandwich panini press. Imusa is known for producing affordable yet reliable kitchen appliances, making it a popular choice for home cooks who want consistent results without breaking the bank. This press features dual floating hinge plates, which allow it to accommodate sandwiches of different thicknesses while ensuring even heat distribution for crispy exteriors and gooey interiors. The non-stick grill plates make cooking a breeze and cleanup effortless, while the stainless steel body adds durability and a sleek appearance. With adjustable temperature control and a power-on indicator light, you'll always know when the press is ready to cook. The Imusa press is ideal for students, small households, or busy professionals who want quick, hot sandwiches without fuss. It's praised for its compact design, even grilling, and budget-friendly price, though it may feel slightly small for larger panini or multiple sandwiches at once. Still, it's a dependable entry-level panini press for everyday use. Next up at number 4 is the AgoStar Sandwich Maker Panini Press. This model is designed for home cooks who value versatility and consistent cooking performance. The floating hinge system adapts to different sandwich thicknesses, while the grill and press plates ensure perfect grill marks and evenly melted cheese. It features adjustable temperature control, allowing you to cook everything from lightly toasted sandwiches to golden brown paninis with ease. The non-stick coating prevents sticking and simplifies cleaning, while compact storage and cord wrap options make it easy to keep in small kitchens. AgoStar is perfect for families, young professionals, or anyone experimenting with creative sandwiches. It is praised for even heating, ease of cleaning, and versatility, although it may take a little longer to preheat than premium models. For its price, it offers great value for home cooking enthusiasts. Coming in at number 3 is the Chefman Sandwich Maker Panini Press. Chefman is a brand trusted for innovative kitchen appliances, and this panini press is perfect for home chefs looking for a mid-range, reliable option. It boasts non-stick grill plates with floating hinge design, providing even heat and accommodating thick sandwiches effortlessly. The adjustable temperature dial allows precise control for your preferred level of toasting, while the indicator lights show when the press is preheated and ready for cooking. The press also features cool touch handles and stainless steel housing, making it safe to use even during extended cooking sessions. Chefman excels in performance, safety, and versatility, handling not only paninis but also quesadillas, grilled veggies, and even breakfast sandwiches. It is praised for even heating and durability, though the size may feel limited for preparing multiple sandwiches at once. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to step up their sandwich game at home. At number 2, we have the OSTBA Sandwich Maker Panini Press. OSTBA focuses on premium build quality and modern design, making this panini press ideal for those who cook frequently or entertain guests. Its extra-large non-stick grill plates provide plenty of space for sandwiches, wraps, and even small cuts of meat, while the floating hinge design ensures even pressure for consistent grilling. It features adjustable temperature settings and dual indicator lights, so you can monitor your cooking progress with ease. The cool touch handles and stainless steel exterior add safety and style, while the removable drip tray collects excess grease for hassle-free cleaning. OSTBA is perfect for home cooks, food enthusiasts, and families looking for a versatile countertop grill. It is praised for durability, even cooking, and premium design, though its larger size requires more countertop space. For anyone serious about home grilling and panini making, OSTBA delivers reliable performance and style. Finally, at number 1, we have the Cuisinart Sandwich Maker Panini Press. Cuisinart is a household name in quality kitchen appliances, and this press brings professional-level performance to your countertop. It features adjustable temperature control, floating hinge plates, and a brushed stainless steel exterior, making it perfect for home chefs who demand versatility and precision. The non-stick grill plates provide perfect grill marks and even heat, while the cool touch handles ensure safe operation. Its large cooking surface accommodates multiple sandwiches at once, and the removable drip tray makes cleanup simple. The Cuisinart press is ideal for families, entertainers, and anyone who enjoys creating gourmet paninis at home. It's praised for premium build quality, versatility, and reliable performance, though it comes at a higher price point than entry-level models. For those who want professional results, durability, and convenience, this is the ultimate panini press. And that wraps up our top 5 best sandwich panini presses in this year. From the budget-friendly Amusa to the versatile Ego Star, the mid-range Chefman, the premium OSTBA, and the top-tier Cuisinart, there's a panini press here for every home cook, kitchen size, and cooking style. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And make sure to check the description for the latest price and deals so you can enjoy crispy, melty sandwiches at home today. Thanks for watching.